Hi there, everybody. This is Tammy, Prayerful Praise, and I'm doing a quick video for Etched by Faith on how to upload your digital Bible into Goodnotes. You're going to start out, and whatever email you had used when you bought the Bible, you are going to find it, and then what you'll do is click on the link there, and it's going to open in Google Drive. And once you've got it open, and yeah, it also includes stickers, but I will deal with stickers in a different video. So what you will do is, by the Bible, you're going to hit those three dots and you're going to click download. Once you do that, it'll download to your iPad, and I've already done that part because it takes so long for it to download. So once you got it downloaded, you're going to go to your files. Let me get out of that, sorry. And go to your downloads or wherever you have it specified to download. And from there, what you will do is tap on it to open it. Well, it's being a little slow. There we go. And once you're at this screen and you see all the different pages here to your left, and it's a beautiful burgundy color. But once you've got it opened, you're going to tap the square with the arrow and scroll until you see Open in Goodnotes. Now, tap on that, and when it pops up, I've already got it in mind because it takes a few minutes to download, and I didn't want this to be a really quick video, a really long video. So once you have it, though, you would click Import as New Document and let it do its thing, and then it's into Goodnotes, and all you have to do in that case then is you tap on it, and it'll open it just like that. And when you get ready to, like if you're just looking at it and you've got your tabs at the top, like you have a tab for Bible study. So this, look in the top right and you'll see the pen with the circle around it. Anytime you want to make your hyperlinks work, you need to have that in that position. And this jumps you to Bible study. There's a tab for the New Testament. And when you touch each book, it's going to put you over into like the main, a main listing, and then you can pick your chapter, and then there are your verses. Now, if you were going to actually journal, which I will deal with that later, I will do a page, but to journal, all you do is tap that circle pen with the circle until you get a pen with a line through it, and that will let you do pictures or text or whatever. But that is the way to get your Bible uploaded into Goodnotes. But I'm going to do just a quick note. And I'm going to see, that's why you need to make sure that you have the thing opened so that you can put in some text. And I have a code for the Etched by Faith website, and it's all caps. I was going to try to write it, but let's just do it so it'll actually show up in all caps. We'll do it with the keyboard. And it's TAMMY 10. That's the code for 10% off of anything in Jade's, in the Etched by Faith store. And the Etched by Faith website is www.etchedbyfaith.com. And I will also try to put this in the description of the video as well. And I'm going to make that just a little bit bigger so that maybe it shows up. But that's, like I said, it's very simple. Once you've got your email, you click download it. Once you've got it downloaded, you find the file you've saved it to, and then click the square with the arrow and open it in Goodnotes as a new document. But if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, and I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you, and I hope you guys enjoy your day.
from generation to generation.